Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad K. Sangma menta kesngi ula Grand Scam baka National Games arjar arpuar kan longbej ha Kejela Meghalaya bot ula kan taj baka don kano kejing kumpala mudur deki pajba menta kesngi ke arpusau terik ukula lengkon Menteri Rangba ula lum jingyalang kan National Games Organizing Committee yaki he sorkar bat kumju ikinongkit kam ka Meghalaya States Olympic Association ban penyaji kam chat nak bentakan niga kam hakan niga jingilang lai kran ni gijat jingela kai ban penila kai hikimadan kijing penbiang kijing don kam kum ko ka boarding bat kiwei kat kum kijing ong Menteri Rangba layo hadu saus pa san folklore na kitanat sorkar baper kuntop na ka Ministry of Social Justice ka sorkar India NEC Tribal Affairs bat na kiwei kitanat sorkar ulong baka jingelang kalai kran kumno ban penyaji ka kam kum kijing jet ke jaka bat contender ban sedang yi kam bat kiwei ringkat kijing bu por ban pendap yi kam Hakajuk opor lai keren ru kejing pen kre bat kejing pen tebet ikinong ilakai Kejela. Hakapala khot kejing don bentaki sport association ban yatan rong kenega kam. Hadu bentai kinong ilakai Kejela kempat la ban ilakai bahan namar kidang dunai kejing don kam. Ulong ikiwe kidau ki basabar ka bor jong sorkar omla ban ong ai. Nrei nakaliang jong sorkar kala pen kre ban pentikna ban priang kenega lumpung ilakai ka bahedu kari. Hakajuk opor ulong ba omtang ban priang kenega lumpung nrei ke sorkar kan pen kreru ban aji kai ban pen tebet ikinong ilakai ban pen biang jing don kam kenang bakan la ban ra ke khusnam na kane ke lumpung.
So we are going ahead with our preparations for 2022. Apart from that, what are the external factors is something which is not in our which are not in our control is something which I cannot comment on. But we as a state and as a government, we will be ready for the 2022 games, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to host it based on the terms and conditions and the hosting of the other states that are there, and depending on what IOA has to say about it. But as I said, having said that, the most important point is that as a state and as a government, as a department, we will be prepared for 2022. Well, the only thing that needs to be done is to ensure that proper training facilities, proper guidance, proper coaching, proper infrastructure is given to these sports people. Our youth are very much talented, It's not the talent that they lack, but I think it's the facilities, the coaching and the training that's required. So we will ensure that from government side, along with the associations, we do what we can to support all these organizations so that the best facilities and the best coaches and the best training can be given to our youngsters so that they can come out successful in the games.